Hello, ballerinas. Welcome to tutorial for the Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies remix by Brian Franks. This, of course, is from the original score from the Nutcracker. Let's get started. It's going to be a little tricky to do these ballet moves with shoes, but we're going to go for it anyways. So, we're going to start in first position. So heels together, long legs, but not sticking the butts out. You want to bring the hips right below you. Nice, pull the tummy in, and we're going to start with the little arms in our bottom, lower fifth position. So they're down here nice and low. We're going to start with that right arm. As the intro music goes up, we're going to pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And left arm. 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to take the head to the diagonals. It's going to go down to the left, up left diagonal, up right, down right. Then it's going to reverse. Up right, up left, down left, and center. Let's see that intro facing the front. First positions, nice proud chest. We go right arm up and down, nice and airy, up and down. The head goes low, up, cross, down, reverse, up, cross, low, center. Getting started. We're going to start with just the legs first. We'll add arms second. We're going to jump out to second position plie. And I always think about what the right leg is doing to help me remember. So right foot is going to go to the back. So this is a fifth position, so one foot in front of the other. So right foot goes back, and we jump back out to second, big jump, then right foot closes front. One more time, second, right foot closes back. And then we have 3 knees back. It goes up to passe, crosses back, up to passe, crosses back, up to passe, crosses back. And a little change, a changement. So front and back. Again, right foot goes back front. And piqué, so we take the right foot up to the front, keep the right foot in front, and arms are going to come up to get ready to go again. So one more time, the feet go 3 times. So it goes out, back, out, front, out, back. 3 of those. 3 knees. Left knee back, right knee back, left knee back. The right foot to the front, it's going to change and change back. Change, change. And then we're going to take it up to the front, up onto the tippy toes, and then we're going to get ready to either jump out to our second or move on to the next part. Now the arms. The arms are going to come out. Out, as you come out, to jump out second. As it closes to the fifth, arms are going to come down. Again, out, down, out, down. Then whichever leg is coming up, whoever knee, the same arm offers out, down, offers out, down, offers out, down. We leave the arms alone here as we just change the feet, change back. And as we piqué, so as we step up to that right foot, the arms are going to come up into a high fifth, beautiful ballerina position, squeeze the legs together, pull the tummies in, and smile. Always smile. Ballet can be really tough. You don't want to show it on the face. Let's see that beginning, face front. Do nice and slow, just the legs, and then with the arms. Legs first. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. We're going to try with arms. Remember, arms are out, low, and then it offers with the knee. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the first verse, we do 3. On the second verse, we do 3. And on the third verse, we do 4 of those. Now the very first one, the music is a little tricky to catch, but if you just keep going through the movement, you will catch the 8. The second time through, it's a little bit cleaner on the music. All right, we're going to add on just a little bit there. We keep it up. We're going to step out with the right foot, do a little rock step. We're going to go step right. The left foot's going to go back, and we're going to rock in. And arms are up overhead. Then we switch other side. This time the right foot goes back, rock in. Again, right, left foot back, rock in. Then we step the left foot out. Instead of doing one more on the fourth side, we take that right foot back and we turn all the way around to the front. So that looks like this. Around, and arms just come down. So the arms are here, 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 around, and down. It's a little bit tricky. If you can't get the arms, just worry about the step, and around. Good. Let's see that face to the front. We should change, change, and up, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, 2, 3, to get ready to go side. It's time for our piqué. So piqués are stretch leg, you push off the bent leg to go up, nice and tall. Yeah, if you don't want to go onto releve, so no on toes, you can also just do it right onto the floor and pull up to the knee. So we're going to start first going to the right. The left arm is going to scoop as the same as the leg. So remember, wherever the knee goes, the arm is going to be the same. So we're going to go to the right, we're going to do it. I'm going to do it flat foot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close cross, and turn to the front, other side. That way, the right foot's down in front, and you're going to come up on that turn. So it's super new. They come up, beautiful, bit open, and go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 of those, facing the front. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have one more thing to learn. We just came around the last side around. Now we're going to come up on the tippy toes, and we're just going to go tap, 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 tap. It's a bourrée. So we're going to tap, 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 tap. The arms are going to be free and fluttery. Snow, Plum, Fairy, Princess, beautiful, beautiful. Elsa, whatever you're feeling there. And you can take it around, but there's some beautiful music here. To get ready to go out, right foot back, out, change, arm, 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 and piqué. Remember on the last time we're going to do 4 of those. So I'm going to show the bourrées into the last piqué, into the bourrée, into our final chorus. So this is the 4th time. Left, 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 switch, very arms, da 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 da. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change, change. And 3 more of these, so 4 total. We're in with our waltz. 1, 2, 3. Left, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. Left, right foot back as we turn. Arms closed down. We end first position just as we started, and there's a little accent you can look up at the end. That's how the choreography. Let's dance it.